Alright, we're on Pewaukee Lake, night fishing for crappies and walleyes, and we caught a few so far, so stay tuned. I'll come back. Jolly Roger is known for catching lots of fish. Arr. Flag! Crappie. Solid crappie. Oh, we got another? Got another flag, I guess. Alright. You're not gonna believe what I caught just now. What did you catch? A rock bass. What? He's coming home.
On a minnow?
Yeah, they're tasty. Let's go see. Yeah, nice little tasty rock bass here. Look at that. Nice little tasty rock bass. What you got there, Brent? Wow, solid crappie. Look at this.
Oh, rock bass?
Rock bass, tasty.
This is a nice crappie. It's heavy, dude.
Yeah. Cool.
It's fat. Yeah.
All right, adding another crappie to the mix. Alright, I'm so excited. We're going to be introducing the first ever, I don't even know what to call it, the McNasty we're calling it. Yeah. McNasty, so. McStinky. We had a slight fire recently while fishing. She caught 3 perch and 2 walleyes that evening before the shack burned down, so we're gonna set it up here.
God damn it.
See what you guys think.
The trigger mechanism on there is no joke. I'll turn my shack down.
It has so much kick, it will knock something over and burn a shack down.
Badass. Old shack with Oh, you need them? Yeah?
Probably in another.
Alright, I got McNasty set up here.
I gotta be up at 6 tomorrow.
I got the bait.
Come on now.
Heck with setting up this McNasty. We got a couple flags here. Double header. Andy's over on the rig over there. We got Brent here. It's crappie time. Maybe. Headbutt. Andy's farming something, it looks like. Oh yeah, nice little crappie. We'll go take a peek. All we need now is Johnsonville brats.
Go to fucking
sleep already.
There you go. Solid crappie there, Andrew.
Go to sleep already. I'm sorry about your line.
Okay, a lot of people want to know how safe is it to drive out on the lake. I'm going to take my alright, I'm hooked on bottom. I'm hooked on bottom with my ice scoop. Oh wow, nice job, Brent. Just checking a flag, nailing a fish. Anyways, we're sitting literally on 2 feet of ice right now, so you can drive technically on 12. I would drive on 12 inches, but nothing less. Over and out. See if we still got anything on.
Give it a tug. There you go. Ooh, that is a nice crappie.
Decent crappie.
Yeah. Oh, another one.
Go get it, Andy. Let's go get Andy's. Got him on? Ooh, solid fish. Nice. There's something there.
Oh, hit him. There you go.
Crappie. Come on. Boom. Bingo. Ooh. Nice. I like that. Probably about a 12 pack. That was number 7 or 8. Haven't caught a fish since the fireworks have been going off. Don't know if it's a correlation or not, but stay tuned. Crappie. Nice fish. Is the bite back on?
Oh yeah.
Alright, there's the haul. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and a bonus rock bass.